Language. 1. Listen and repeat the following sentences, paying attention to the linking between the words.
1. He's a new student in our class.
2. He always fulfills all his tasks on time.
3. He knows a lot about life and the world around.
4. Now it's time for all of us to celebrate our achievements.
5. An independent person is capable of doing things by herself.
2. Listen and link, the consonant sounds and the vowel sounds. Then practice reading the sentences.
1. Line up and wait until I tell you what to do.
2. My phone number is 0908 760 405.
3. You could earn a lot of money if you write an interesting ebook.
4. Once upon a time, there was a frog that lived in a little pond.
5. Take a box from over there and give it to me.